Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever wanted to dive into stock trading, but felt overwhelmed by the risk of losing money? A stock simulator is your perfect starting point. It's a virtual environment where you can buy and sell stocks, along with other investments, all using fake money. This allows you to learn the ropes and understand market movements without any real financial exposure. Think of it as a flight simulator for investors, helping you build confidence before taking off on your own trading journey. Using a simulator offers incredible advantages for any aspiring trader. First, you get hands-on experience without risking a single dollar of your hard-earned cash. It's a safe space to test out different trading strategies, to see what works and what doesn't, all without consequence. Plus, you'll develop a deeper understanding of market dynamics, learning how news and events can impact stock prices. It's an invaluable tool for building your trading muscle. When choosing a stock simulator, look for specific features that truly enhance your learning experience. Real-time data is crucial, so you're practicing with up-to-the-minute market information, just like in real trading. Make sure it offers a wide variety of assets too, like stocks, options, and even cryptocurrencies, giving you diverse practice opportunities. And definitely prioritize platforms that include educational resources. They can really accelerate your learning journey. Many brokers offer excellent simulators, and a few truly stand out from the crowd. TD Ameritrade's Paper Money, now part of Charles Schwab, is highly regarded for its professional-grade features, mirroring the real trading experience closely. Fidelity also provides great practice environments, especially within their youth accounts, offering a comprehensive way to learn. For simpler, web-based options, platforms like Investopedia's Stock Simulator are fantastic for beginners, making it easy to jump into virtual trading. These platforms offer solid ways to begin your practice today. Choosing the right simulator depends on your learning style and specific goals, so feel free to explore a few options. Commit to consistent practice, even just for a few minutes each day, to build good habits and intuition about the markets. Remember, the ultimate goal is to gain confidence and valuable experience before you consider real money investing. Stock simulators are truly your best friend for navigating the market safely and effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.